Hi there, students. Consort, a noun and a verb. As a noun, a consort is somebody's wife or their husband. But this is so formal, I would never use it except maybe for a king or a queen. Yeah? This word consort, the Queen's consort is Prince Philip, or Phil the Greek, as they call him. Okay, so the wife or husband of a queen, but it actually means just the wife or husband. Then we also have this verb to consort with, to spend time with, to associate with, to keep company with. Especially somebody or a group of people who are frowned on by society, who are badly seen. So this politician consorts with gangsters. So the use of this word consort also has a little critical twist to it. He is always consorting with drunkards, and that's why he drinks so much. Okay? So to consort with somebody, to consort with a group of people that society look down on. Notice as well, I think you can also use this phrase in consort with, in partnership with, in association with, in concert with. Yeah? Now, a consort also could be a group of musical instrument players, particularly all of who play the same instrument. And a consort, you can also use it nautically, as in one ship that is accompanying another. But I think this word consort, you're going to see it most commonly to consort with, to associate with, to spend time with. And I think you might see in consort with, and then the Queen's consort, incredibly formal, but you might just see that as well. Okay, so what about the origin? Consors, Latin. Sors, destiny, your lot in life. So, together, yeah? Joint destinies, husband and wife, yeah, partners. Okay, in consort with, or to consort with, to spend time with, joint destinies. In partnership with, in association with. Yeah, the same idea. So, what about formality? Well, as a king or a queen, I'd probably give this 9 in formality. To consort with, I'd probably give a 6 in formality, and you could probably just about use this in an informal conversation. Yeah, you might use to associate with, to spend time with. And then in consort with, I think that's too formal for an informal conversation. In consort with, together with. Okay, so consort, or to consort, is really up there, really quite formal. I think to consort with being the least formal of meanings. Okay, so the king's consort, his wife, to consort with, to spend time with, in concert with, in concert with, concerted, if you like. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Consort.